Hi, this is Gail Sawchuk, and this is a video on putting in your UBAM Hostess rewards. I'm starting here on the second page on order type because if your Hostess has reached the monthly Hostess special, you need to make sure that you click that they have scheduled a future booking and you need to get that booking. So I've put in Susie Q as the Hostess and the date that she's going to have her party. And then we go to the next step to the books. This I have put in books just to get it to the party, but if you need to import from a e-show, you can do it here with this button. And then we're going to go to free books. And you will see that she's earned not just the regular rewards, but the Hostess rewards for this month as well. So we would put in all of the books that she wants. She's going to get 9 of the adding and subtracting books, just to make it easy. And then you can do the host half price ones as well. She's got $100 there, and she wants 8 of these. She's not going to use all of her half price ones. Now the party bonus ones, these are up to you how you're going to use these. You can use them to incentivize your hostess for booking the party in the first place, for having other bookings, for sales, for having a certain amount of participants come. You can look for additional training on that. But you'll see that there's $50. These are offered at 65% off. And you can either pay for that if that's what you've offered to your hostess, or you can have them pay that. So here she wants to get a bunch of the Robin Hoods. And you can see when you go to the summary, you can see here this is how much your hostess owes for her reward books. However, if she's paying for the bonus books, you want to put in this amount as well. And if she's added any books in, then you want to check on the merchandise piece also. Thanks so much. Hope that's helpful.